Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. Today we're going to talk about formula and molar mass problem sets. So in this lesson we're going to take about 5 or 6 problems and we're going to show you how to calculate the molar or the formula mass. Alright, so let's pick a couple of them here real quickly. Let's try H2SO4, so we're going to do that one. We're going to do, let's say, KCl. MgCO3, and I like to try a couple more. Oh, here's a good one. C12H22O11, and let's pick 2 more. How about ZnCl2 and I know one. How about this one? Ag3PO4. All right, so let's start with this one here. And so we have 2 hydrogens at 1.01, 1 sulfur at 32.07, and 4 oxygens at 16.00. Well, I know it's actually 15.99, but we like to round. So that gives me 2.02, 32.07, and 64. So we're going to add those up. We get 90, that's 8, and that's 9, so that's 98.09 grams per mole of H2SO4. Let's try the next one. So we have potassium chloride. So we have 1 potassium, and potassium has a let's see here, 39.1. So 39.10. And chlorine, of course, is 35.45. So this one's pretty easy. So I'll go 5 and 5. And that gives me 4, carry the 1. That gives me 74.55 grams per mole of KCl. Let's try magnesium carbonate next, okay? So with magnesium carbonate, we have 1 magnesium. So we go 1 times, and of course magnesium is 24.31. Carbon, of course, is 12.01, so this common one. Oxygen, again, 16.00. We have 2 of those, 3 of those. So that gives me 48 oxygens, 12.01 carbons, and 24.31. So that gives me 2, gives me 3, that's 10, that's 14, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm trying to do this without a calculator. It's kind of fun. It's always fun not to have calculators. Not always a good thing. All right, let's try this one. Ooh, this one's a good one. C12. So that's 0.01, H22 times 1.01, and O is 11 times 16. All right, so this gives me 144.12, 22.22, and I think, hang on for 1 second. I had to think about that oxygen for a second. That's 176. So we add 176 plus 22.22, 144.2. This gives me 4, 3, and that's 8, and that's 12. Carry 1. That's going to give me 4. Carry 1 again. That gives me 342.34 grams per mole. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, I did use a calculator for the 011 one, I gotta admit. Okay, let's look at the next one here. Zinc chloride. Alright, so zinc chloride is going to have 1 zinc there. So we're going to go Zn 1 times 65.38. And then we got 2 chlorines, 2 times 35.45. So, okay, this is going to be 70, 90. Ha! So I can do that. 65.38. So that's 8. It's 12. gives me 6. And this gives me 13, so that gives me 136.28 grams per mole. Pretty awesome. Okay, silver. Now this one's a pretty big one. So we got silver, got 3 times 107 point. What is it? 107 point. Hang on, let me think about it. Oh, yes. 8, 7. Okay. Phosphorus is 1 times, because I have to remember P, it's 30.97. And of course we have 4 oxygens, 4 times 16.00. So this gives me 64.00. This gives me 30.97. And I'll be right back because I do have to use a calculator on this real quickly. So we're going to go 107.87 times 3 gives me 323.61. Add that to 3090. 7 actually. Plus 64. According to my calculator, this is going to give me 418.58 grams per mole of Ag3PO4. Well, that ends this lesson today. And so we hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you back at Moose in Chemistry.